grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, we are back again. Daily market update from Minneapolis. It's 7:40 a.m. in the morning, which is actually 5:40 a.m. my time in Canada. But I'm up, and we're going to do a daily market update. If you're not aware, I am in Minneapolis for VCon, okay? So Gary VCon. So if you want to stay up to date with what I'm seeing and doing out here, you can follow me on Instagram right there. I'm going to go to Prince's Paisley Park, you know, his big estate mansion type of thing. I'm going to go there. So if you want to see that, hop on the Instagram. Also, we're fast approaching 100K. We will be doing a giveaway. Also follow the Twitter. But let's dive into the market here. Bitcoin doing exactly what I've been saying it's going to continue doing for the past probably a week now. I've been saying it's just going to continue. Definitely a week now. I've been saying it's going to continue trying to fight this $30,000 level. And it's just weak, dude. I can't help but laugh at Bitcoin. It's just weak. Like we can't even get above 30K right now, right? And if we look at fear and greed index as well, we've bounced up to a 12, right? Last month 24, last week 12, yesterday was an 8. Like, this is just madness, right? We are in the depths of hell in this market. We actually have been in the depths of hell in this market for a while, right? For a while. Ever since this thing broke, this trend line right here, like, you know, we had so many touches here, and then we broke through that, and now it's been absolute misery in these markets. As for the altcoins, we've got ETH at $2,000. We have USDT at 0.999, not one. Just peculiar. We've got some USDT stuff at the ending of this video. You're definitely going to want to see it. Got XRP at 42 cents. Some of this stuff, some of these altcoins still looking like great buys, like Near at $6.34, Chainlink at $7.48, Algorand, like all of this stuff could go lower. That's what you guys need to understand, is that all of this could go lower. Quant at $71 right there. Zilliqa, 5 cents. 5 cents for Zilliqa. Take a look at what type of gains you could make on this. Look at this. If Zilliqa goes back to all-time high, you've got, it's actually, the all-time high is not that high on Zilliqa. So you would get like a 5x though. Very good. So some of these are still looking like buys. This tweet right here is what it's all about right now. Okay, I tweeted this yesterday. I am bullish on utility coins no matter what the market's doing. I don't care. I don't care if it's the most horrible bear market ever. I am still bullish on utility coins. What is this, dude? Why are you replying to? Don't reply to my tweets with this weird gifs, man. But I am bullish on utility coins no matter what the market is doing. Now, the next question you would ask if you heard that is, what is a utility coin? Which coins are on this list? Okay, take a look at this list. Which coins are solving the biggest problem? To be honest, Bitcoin barely solves any problems. The biggest problem solver on this entire list, in my opinion, is XRP. XRP is solving the biggest use case of them all. We're talking $1 quadrillion. Okay, trillions of volume every day in cross-border payments and Fedwire, right? This is going for the biggest use case. Then some of these other ones do have good use cases, but like Kronos, like what? There's no use case to it. The coin is good, and the coin is basically like the stock of the company. So if you bet on CRO, you're just basically investing in Crypto.com's success, which is horrible, and that's a security, basically, unfortunately. But, Richard Hart's Telegram popping up there. I am in Richard's Telegram, folks. Mason exposed Hexakin, or what? Am I exposed Hexakin? Okay. Moving on, we have a couple bullish. So I'm bullish on utility coins no matter what. And the point of why I'm saying this is you should just be stacking your bags of utility coins. I believe that the next bull run is going to be utility based, right? Right now, if we look at the top 30, like this, look at this top 30. Like, why is a coin like Shiba Inu still in top 15 and Dogecoin, right? No use cases for this. So I believe someday the market will basically put the biggest problem solvers at the top of the market, right? Some of those are like Algorand, right? Chainlink, Hedera, just examples. Quant as well. So, a couple little things from Hedera right here. The HBAR Foundation has partnered with Miotech. That's a company that provides blockchain solutions to the fashion industry. This will increase the adoption of HTS as Miu, I don't know how to say it, Miu, introduces partner brands to Web3. So Miotech is right here, right? The new standard for luxury fashion industry to connect offline and online through the one-to-one NFT collateralization, based in Switzerland, which is interesting. Only 85 followers right now. So very small, but I mean, this is, and keep in mind, this is just with the HBAR Foundation, right? So we don't know how they're going to use, oh, yes, we do. There's more information here. I didn't see that. So it's an NFT based thing, NFT metaverse fashion in that vein, which is very good. And then also, if you guys support Hedera apps and projects and NFTs, you can go vote for them to win some NFT awards at NFT in New York. I will be at NFT New York as well. You can go and vote right there. Moving on, we have this is crazy. Okay, this is from Tige XRP, and basically the SEC filed a complaint against Terraform Labs, and basically they were trying to find out whether it's a security. And at the bottom here, we can see it says the SEC is continuing its fact-finding investigation, and to date has not concluded that any individual or entity has violated the federal security laws. So they literally found no violations in Terra, but XRP is being sued makes zero sense. And that type of thing lets me know that the XRP lawsuit is deeper than just, is it decentralized or centralized? You know, even deeper than if it's just a security. It's way, way, way deeper. We also have the Terraform Labs legal team resigning after the UST collapse. They have resigned, and this is most likely because they're about to get hit with like the biggest lawsuits ever. We have a major Korean law firm is suing Do Kwon after UST collapse. I mean, this is expected, dude. Like, who would not expect that after what happened? So the legal team resigns and then they get sued. Interesting. Now they're left with no legal team to deal with that. Pretty insane. Moving on, we have the U.S. court rejecting Tether's bid to conceal reserve records from the public. So the New York Supreme Court has rejected Tether's petition to block the public from receiving documents detailing the composition of Tether's reserves over the past few years. So does this mean their reserve documents are going to come out to the public? Like, that's what we need. And they've just rejected concealing. They've rejected concealing these. Now, we don't. Also, by the way, I forgot to cover this. DEI, right? The DEI stablecoin, which I believe is on Phantom or Polygon here. Let me just check. The DEI has slipped. Yeah, this is a stablecoin at 58 cents, right? It has. Okay, what is this, dude? Dutch feedback? What is that? Was that even Dutch? I don't know. It looks like this is on a bunch of chains, actually, but I'm not sure. Look at all these backers and partners. And this thing just absolutely collapsed. 58 cents. Horrible, right? We do not want to see more of this happen. I knew another one would happen. Also, look at the name of this is an anagram for DIE, D-I-E. So what do you expect naming your project DIE, right? DEI is an anagram for die, of course. And then you also have DIE, which I hope DIE doesn't die. This one is also a decentralized algorithmic stablecoin, I believe, or some like. There's a lot of different ways they build these stablecoins, but it's a decentralized stablecoin. Let's see how it works. I don't know how DAI works. I know that it is decentralized, and we don't want to see it die. We do not want to see it die. So, moving on to the final thing we'll cover today, Binance confirms it is working to win Germany regulatory approval. So we saw that they had France. Yeah, right here. The talks with German authorities followed the exchange's approval by French regulators, right? They gave them the nod. Sorry, I'm yawning so much. The time change is kind of hitting me. So they got the French nod, and now they're trying to get the Germany nod of approval for regulations. So that is basically all we have. Once again, the theme of today's daily market update is definitely that I'm bullish on utility any time of the day. Any time of the day. I am bullish on utility any time of the day, right? So make sure you follow on Twitter. Appreciate all of you. Love every single one of you for watching. And I'm going to try continue. Like, the conference hasn't started yet, but once the conference starts, it might get a little bit harder for me to wake up and do these because the conference starts early. So I'm not sure. It starts tomorrow until the 22nd. Actually, tomorrow I can have one out. But we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully, that's why you got to follow on IG. TikTok, I will still be pushing videos out. Twitter as well. Twitter is the number one, man. Twitter, you get it like that instantly. Hopefully do some lives from here as well. It would be cool to live stream at VCon, but I feel like they banned that a little bit. I don't know. I think they banned that. You can't live stream but why would they do that? That makes no sense. All right. Appreciate all of you. Big love to all of you, and goodbye.